Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying Turma, that Masur, or you guys can say Shimag also, Kefia, in Muscat style, okay, in Omani Muscat style. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful and beautiful hair scarf, okay. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. Don't forget to visit my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and my Instagram is coming here right now, you guys can see. And don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So Allah Hafiz till my next video.